Lesson 31. Let's speaking English with Toto. Listen, write, read and repeat. Always, sometimes, in the morning, at night. I always exercise in the morning. You always exercise in the morning. He always exercises in the morning. She always exercises in the morning. We always exercise in the morning. They always exercise in the morning. I sometimes read a book at night. You sometimes read a book at night. He sometimes reads a book at night. She sometimes reads a book at night. We sometimes play the video games at night. They sometimes sleep very late at night. See you soon, next lessons.